Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we bought fireworks for New Year. So look at this. This is the pack of it. We have more that we are gonna show you. This is the first one. We bought 2 of these. Another one is there. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you. We have 7 of these fireworks that go up. I don't know how to call them. Yeah, but this one is glittering. These two are big burst. This is corruptic. This is color burst. This is color burst 2, and this is glittery. And yeah, this is all of these. Now we have this B one. This is called Dicky Burning. Four of these, and this one Domino. Fonta. I don't know what this is. And now we have Now we have this, the freshy thing, like it's like green, and then it's gonna come a lot of soup.
Ich hab Hallo Guys gesagt. Hallo Guys. Willkommen im Channel. Bye bye.
Okay, so we have the Döner Schlieg. Hey, what?
Guck, hier ist auch.
Döner I don't know, but it's like a bomb.
Yes.
Like like I have a firework, and then it's gonna boom. Yeah. Anyways, this one. I don't know what. I think it's this one, these two, but I don't know. Okay, so we have now these bird, Sonnevogel. I think I'm gonna think it's like to have a light up, and then it's gonna make these zzz sound.
Und hier ist auch.
Ja, naja, ich hab schon. Things, I think 2 of these are in there here, and now we have these Knalltreffer.
Nein.
Knalltreffer.
Falsch.
Was für falsche, naja.
Ich hab falsch gesagt.
Ja, aber das ist nicht falsch. Okay, this is the original of these, this is like a mini tiny ball, and you have to throw it, and then it's gonna make so pow sound.
Yes.
And mini knaller, I tried it. It's like not that Stück, not like so. It's like combined. And the China Knaller, I think it's the same like this. I didn't try it, but never. And it's this. That's all from this. Okay, now we have this. I don't really know. It looks like it. Let me. This just looks like a Hebel. And here's the firework, and then it's gonna make. Oh man, I'm not gonna. And here's the fire. You take a lighter, and then pour. Yeah. So that's it. My dad said we are gonna one more. What I said now. Yeah, already. Now we have.
Ich hab keinen.
Schön. Now we have these double flash. I think it's like it's gonna go up, like the fireworks, and there, yeah. And
Mama,
I think it's cool. And then we have these, you know these ones you have to light it up, and then it's gonna come sparkles like tss, It's a long version. It's very long.
Yes.
It's more long than I think this. Yeah, it's more long. It's very long. It's gonna it holds. Oh my god! It holds like It's gonna end it like in 5 minutes when you do it. I mean sparkles come out, and then it's gonna be on for 5 minutes, and then it's gone. It's 5 of these. That's very cool. And the last one is these crackers.
Yes.
I already tried one. This is the mini Knaller. This is the Super Bowler 2.
Yes.
This is Rise China Bowler D. Again, Rise Up Bowl. Yeah, again. And then the China Knaller. And yeah, that's all of the Patake.
Yes.
I'm gonna review more if we're gonna buy more. Yeah, but that's all. So bye.
Bye.
Okay guys, like, subscribe, hit all in notification bell, share and comment. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.